Hi, we are from Group 23. We'll do a demonstration of SYSLOG Watcher. In this demo, we do it on a virtual machine where Windows OS as the SYSLOG server and Kali Linux OS as the client. Firstly, install SYSLOG Watcher on the Windows by searching it on the browser. Choose the one from EZ5 systems and download the installer for Windows. The installer will be executed to start the SYSLOG setup. Read and accept the license agreement and click Next. Keep the default installation directory and proceed next. Wait until it is complete. Finally, the SYSLOG Watcher was launched successfully.
Hello, my name is Fatin Amiraliana and I will show you the configuration and setup. We will do for the configuration and the Kali. First, we will update using the sudo apt update. And then we have to install the SYSLOG first. So using the command sudo apt install SYSLOG. After that, we have to enable the SYSLOG. And we have to start the SYSLOG. And then we have to look at the status of the SYSLOG. Okay, and then go to the Windows to look at the IP using the command ipconfig. And then using the command sudo nano /etc/rsyslog.conf. Our SYSLOG configuration file was edited to forward all SYSLOG message to the IP address of the SYSLOG Watcher server. As you can see here, we have listening to the address 192.168.244.129 and listen to the port 514. We have to save the configuration. After saving, we have to restart the SYSLOG. As you can see here that the SYSLOG Watcher is running and it shows the message received. As you can see here, we can read all the message that sent to the Windows from the Kali. And then if you want to look at the latest information, we have to click add the information, and then it will appear the view message. And then if you want to look at any information, so we have to just press the message and then it will show you like this.
Hello, my name is Farhana and the last part for our demonstration is the testing part. The first test will be a basic connectivity test. In this test, we are going to use a logger command and write a test message from Kali SYSLOG client. Next, we check on the SYSLOG Watcher. We can see that the manual SYSLOG message sent from the client was successfully received by the SYSLOG Watcher server. So the next test will be the add new user test. So in this test, we will add a new user to the client. So I will add sudo add user Trisha, and then I will enter the new password for user Trisha. And re-enter again the password, and we also need to enter all the details. And now we successfully add a new user named Trisha. So when the new user account was created on the client, we can see that the SYSLOG watcher successfully record all the logs related to the account creation, group assignment and user analyzation. So this log clearly indicate that the username created and the administrative action performed. The third test will be the authentication test. First, we're going to do the fail login. So I'll use Trisha account and enter the wrong password, and it show the authentication failure. Next, we will see on the SYSLOG watcher, does it capture the activities? So as we can see here, the SYSLOG watcher successfully capture the authentication failure logs generated by the system. Next, we will try to do the successful login. So I will use the same account, sudo Trisha, and I will enter the correct password. And now we're going to see at the SYSLOG watcher. And as we can see that successful login activities were recorded by SYSLOG watcher, which including session open and accepted password event. Lastly, we will do the port scanning test, which using the nmap command from the Kali Linux client targeting the SYSLOG watcher server. During this test, multiple connection attempts to different ports were initiated, and we can see that SYSLOG watcher successfully record the numerous connection-related log entries originating from the Kali Linux IP address. So this demonstrates the system's ability to capture network scanning activities and provide visibility into potential reconnaissance behavior. So we do another nmap test to see if the SYSLOG service capture the related logs again. As you can see, it still capture the related logs that about the multiple connection attempts. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.